Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Zone YouTube channel. Here we study class 11 chemistry NCERT chapter number 1st, which is some basic concept of chemistry. In previous video we study what is the chemistry and use of chemistry in daily life, and we also study physical state of matter. Now we will study chemical classification of matter. Matter mainly classify in two types. Matter mainly classify in two types, in which one is the mixture and second is the pure substance. Then these two parts further subdivided. Division of mixture are homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. While pure substance are also further divided in two parts. One is element and other is compound. What is the matter? Matter, all things around us, everything around us, all the matters, and which divide into mixture and pure substance. What are the mixtures? Mixture are the composition of two or more elements. Mixtures are the composition we can see matter in the form of mixture around us, such as sugar solution and salt solution, air, and etc. And these mixtures are divided into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, when two composition are mixed in different ratio, and but these mixtures is uniform. Mixture will be uniform. Such as sugar solution, salt solution, while in heterogeneous mixture components are not in uniform mixture. Like as salt and sugar mixture, like as mixture of salt and sugar, and a mixture of grains pulse with the stone. Okay, these mixtures can be separated by physical method, such as hand picking, filtration, crystallization and distillation. Also. Now we will learn pure substance further divided into elements and compounds. What are the elements and what are the compounds? Elements we studied for earlier that elements in the periodic tables present all are elements such as sodium, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen. These all are elements, and pure substances are what are the pure substances? Pure substances are the mixture of definite composition or fixed composition such as silver, water and glucose. Pure substances are the silver, gold, water and glucose, and these are the mixture of fixed composition, and these are further divided into elements and compounds. We know that glucose and water are the mixture of different compositions, such as glucose is the mixture of carbon, hydrogen, which are in a fixed composition, and in water it is a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed quantity. Okay, in elements have only one type of component, one type of particle such as sodium, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, or one type of atom and molecule. What are the atom and molecule? We study earlier, and we also study later for about the atom and molecules. Atoms, what are atoms such as sodium, aluminium, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, all are the atoms. When these atoms combined together form molecules, such as hydrogen combined with hydrogen to form H2, and oxygen combined with oxygen to form O2. While these molecules or these atoms combined in a fixed ratio are known as compound. Okay, atoms combined in a fixed ratio, not same. When these are same is known as element or these known as molecules, while these are different known as compounds, such as when two hydrogen and one oxygen combine to form H2O, this is the compound, and CO2 also is the compound. This is the combination of carbon and two oxygen. Okay, main point is that, what is the main point? Main point is that two hydrogen and one oxygen form H2O, while their physical properties are different, like as H. Hydrogen burn with a pop sound. Okay, while oxygen is also supporter of combustion, and combination of these two elements is known as H2O, which is in the liquid form water, and we all are known that water is used for the extinguisher of fire. that means water is used for, that mean पानी आग को बुझाने का काम करती है. ओके so these compounds cannot be separated by physical method. These can be separated by chemical method. These cannot separated by physical method. These separated by chemical method. Okay, that's all for this video. Next we will learn in the next video what is matter and its measurements. Okay, thank you. यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक शेयर एंड हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.